guys make some slime with me. So, make sure you subscribe before we get started. Okay? Subscribe and like. Okay? You like. And subscribed. So, don't worry about that here. So, we're going to put a little bit of what's it called? We're putting activator in and put the same amount as I put in. That much. This much. We don't want to put too much or the slime will like get sticky or something. Oh, and we need something to mix it with. Okay, so we need this to mix it, but we don't need it right now. We need glue, and it can be clear or whatever. We need to put in the whole bottle. And don't mind the meowing in the background. It's my cat. She likes to meow. Oh, did you see that bubble? Bubble, 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 bubble. Get in there, glue. Get in there. Oh my gosh. Okay, we'll just wait for that. Oh my. Okay, let's see here. All right. Let's mix. Oh, we need a little bit more activator. I see like the tiniest bit. And then we need a little bit more glue. Okay. Okay, oh my goodness. Oh my gosh. Okay, this is taking like a while. Like, okay. Right. It's like not really getting in there. Let's see if that's good for right now. No, we need like a whole bottle of glue. So you think white glue would work? I think it would. Okay, so I didn't find any Elmer's glue, so we might have to cut open the bottle. So let's do it. Okay, so we're gonna let it sit like this for like a minute. Or probably for a while. Okay. That's not that much slime. And it might be sticky at first, but you're gonna have to use your hands to mix it around. Okay. This is not coming out, so might as well just stick your finger in. So, since this is not working, I'm gonna start moving it on the table. So let's see, I can make it so that you guys can see. So I'm gonna actually turn the camera. Okay, so you guys can't see me. That's okay. Okay, we'll let that sit and make the slime. And I think we're supposed to mix it more. Because like it just looks That was stretchy. Why is this not actually getting all over my hands? Oops. We need a lot of glue. That's why it's like this. Yeah. So I can't pause the video at all because I got sticky hands and I need backup. So, yeah. Okay, this is gonna be a hard work because this will be my giveaway, but it won't be looking like this. I think I already said that, didn't I? I don't know. So, oh, wait, it's coming out a little. My hands are so sticky. Wait, I don't know why I'm making it with my hands. Okay. So we're gonna mix it. Okay, we'll just put it out. Alright, it feels good. We also have to give it a scent. Right. This does not feel really good. Should this be in the giveaway? Because the glue is not coming out. Oh, it's like red. Last time it was pink. I didn't make a video. No, it would be cool if I could just stick it in there and then it comes right back out. No, I really want to cut this. Oh, I got glue. I got glue. Well, let's keep mixing this. I don't want this to be in the giveaway like this. Alright, we're gonna find... Wait a second. Mom, do we have any other glue? That's like white.
All that we have would be in that drawer. So if there's no more in that drawer, then no, we don't have any more.
Okay, I'll be right back, y'all. Okay, I think I got it to work. Alright, let's start stirring. Oh, yes. Okay. I don't know why I don't think no one would do this with their hands, but I would. And then I'll clean them. This is like a pinkish, reddish. Last time it was like bright pink. Not like this, but like, it was pink, like a bow. Imagine a bow in your head. That's the bow I'm talking about. I'll show you the colors at the end of the video, but like, I'm gonna stir it. I think I should get my hands clean. Oh, I think it's raining. Oh, Mom, is it? Oh, no. Okay, so guys, don't worry about the noise. Mom, you can keep your show on. I do not mind at all. Look at the ASMR part. Alright, I think we need to activate. If it's too sticky, do we activate it? Well, tell me, because I don't know. So we're just going to try a little bit activator. There, that should work a little. That makes it feel better. It feels like it's like not turning into slime. This video has been 10 minutes already. I thought it was one. Wait, I think it has been 1 minute. It's been more than 1 minute. I got a bug. 44, 45, 46, 47, 48, 49, 50. 6, 7. 6, 7. I just burned in the highway. Forget it. I just burned away on the highway. I just burned away on the highway. Oh. Wait, glue. We need like the whole thing of glue. Okay, someone is gonna have to send me glue if they know where I live. But you can see me now. And this. This video been 12 minutes. It was just 10 minutes. How did 11 go that fast so by? Like, wait. I'm gonna go wash my hands and see if it works. Let's see. That's perfect. All right, now last thing that's gonna make it a little wet is the scent. But after we do the scent, you guys gotta help me clean this mess up. The scent's gonna be, drumroll please, raspberry or pumpkin. Subscribe if you want raspberry and like if you want pumpkin. But raspberry, I'm not gonna use this. It's just an example. Raspberry, pumpkin. I'm not gonna put them in the slime. That would like the. So I'm gonna go put in the thing, and I'm gonna try. It's gonna be mystery. So yeah, put the scent in. I didn't use these. No, why would I? Like why? Like this, like slime washes your hand. Feels like. I'm washing my hands right now, you know. Oh, it smells so good. Smell it. It's in the new fall thing. That's what you found. Wait, that's the stretchiest slime I ever made. Because mine would always do this. Here, I'm good. Oh. Yeah. I love the smell. It smells so comfy and cozy. I didn't use this though, or this. Ooh, I just gave away the answer. I'm talking about in it. I'm talking about in it. I'm talking about in it. And if you wanna spin. Alright, I'm gonna go clean my hands and then we're gonna clean up our mess. This is like a humongous mess. I'm saying you guys there because you guys can't. watching me on TV or your phone, any electronic. But I'm throwing away this glue. And I'm getting new glue. I think I will be right back, y'all. Oh, wait. I'll be right back. Done cleaning up. So, make sure you like and subscribe, and I will see you later. Peace.